Birds of Chile. From Arica to Tierra del Fuego, lonely hunter and watcher. What bird is it? It's a harrier. Peck, 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 cook, cook, cook. The trees in the woods are your home. What bird is it? It's the black woodpecker. Big eyes and brown feathers, closed eyes during the day, and open eyes at night. What bird is it? It's the owl. Black is your neck and white is your body, always elegant for a dance in the lake. What bird is it? It's the black-necked swan. Lord of the high mountains, you are our national emblem. What bird is it? It's the condor. Long legs and slim white body, lakes and rivers are your favorite places. What bird is it? It's the heron. Black and white, yellow beak. The beaches of Chile are your favorite places. What bird is it? It's the seagull. Small, but beautiful. Red chest and brown feathers. What bird is it? It's the loika. Tall and pink, the north of Chile is your favorite place. What bird is it? It's the flamingo. Small, but fast. From flower to flower in the garden you fly. What bird is it? It's the hummingbird. Black and white elegant suit. In Antarctica you live, and in the ocean you swim. What bird is it? It's the emperor penguin. Brown and elegant, you love the gardens and parks in the city. What bird is it? It's the thrush.